Hey guys, is your Messenger story not showing up on your Android? This can happen because of network glitches, app bugs, or maybe your Messenger app is outdated. No worries though, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to help fix this quickly. Let's get started. Tip 1. Before anything else, double check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection often causes this issue. Solution 1. Force close and reopen Messenger. Tap the home button to go to your recent apps. Swipe away Messenger to completely close it. Open Messenger again and see if your stories load properly. Solution 2. Clear Messenger cache and data. Head into settings on your phone. Find the app section and select Messenger. Tap clear cache and then clear data. Restart the app and check if the stories show up now. Solution 3. Reinstall Messenger. Press and hold the Messenger app icon. Tap uninstall or remove and confirm. Open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Messenger and reinstall it. Log back in and see if the stories are back. If that's all there is to it, hopefully one of these tips helped you get your Messenger stories back. Drop a comment below and let me know which one of these worked out for you. If this video helped, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips every week. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.